Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
Pretty good there, Chris. How are you?
Oh, excellent. What's going on?
Just left the casino.
Oh, casino. How'd you do?
The tables were cold today, Chris.
Oh, cold
tables were cold.
Not good.
All they left me here was this with this double saw buck.
Oh, double
That's
saw.
all I got. What do you got? What can you make me for this double saw here?
That'll work. That'll work. I just learned about a great cocktail, actually named the Casino.
No, you didn't.
Thinking, no, suits the situation quite well. Yeah, the Casino.
Yeah, it suits it a little too well.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What did I call you? Tell me I was on my way.
You like gin?
Yeah, I like gin.
You like? All right. Well, all right. This is it. Gin, Maraschino Liqueur, lemon juice, orange bitters.
All right, let's give it a shot.
4-ingredient cocktail.
Let's roll the dice, Chris.
It'll work for a double saw bucket.
Let's roll the dice.
Let's roll the dice. I like it. Let's do an ounce and a half. Ounce and a half built in a cocktail shaker. Then we're going to do a half ounce of the Maraschino Liqueur.
This ain't gonna be too sweet, is it?
No, so surprisingly, this is not sweet. It's a dry liqueur with a hint of almond, an almond finish. Almonds due to the pit or the stone. And we'll do a half ounce of fresh lemon juice. And for your fourth ingredient, Regan's orange bitters, 2 dashes. And stir, that's it. We're going to add ice and we're going to shake.
And this cocktail's gonna be as cold as the tables were today.
Cold as ice. Hey, Nick Nora Glass. We're gonna strain this cocktail up, which means no ice.
Look, you're getting half of it on the table.
It's good for the bar. Good for the bar. Bar needs to absorb. And then garnish it with a Maraschino Liqueur Cherry. We're using Luxardo today.
That's a nice looking cherry.
It's one of the best in the market. Yeah, exactly.
Well, let me give it a shot.
Not cheap. Well, this is the Casino.
The casino.
The Casino. Give it a shot. Hope this turns around your day. Cheers. Well, what do you think?
I have to say, Chris, it's a pretty good cocktail.
It's okay?
Yeah.
All right. What did it taste like?
Lemon juice,
Okay.
gin.
Okay.
Then you get that Maraschino Liqueur. It comes through it. You're right. It tastes like almonds.
Yeah. Yeah.
Almonds.
Almonds. Surprising enough.
Yeah. Pretty
Well,
good, Chris.
Let's turn your day around. Hope it gets much better than your earlier start. If you've liked the Casino cocktail, make sure you like the Blue Collar Bar, subscribe for many more cocktails, and follow me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
All right. Take care, Chrissy.
Great to see you again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.